Hello everyone, my name is Luis Bello and I will be your instructor for Principle of Chemistry CHEM1114 for the fall 2021, and I want to give you an idea how to navigate the BlackBoard course. The first thing that I will recommend you is to click on Start Here. On Start Here you will find the course syllabus and they will tell you when we will go into meet, where will be the place, how to contact me, so you can go and read all this information, and that will give you an overall idea about the class that you are ready to start soon. I also have somewhere here the chemistry video. That's a very useful link. We have plenty of video related to chemistry. Most of these video are in YouTube, and some of them probably will be more video than the one that we really are going to use in our class. But I want to share with you everything so you can have a lot of resources on the chemistry video, and that will be found under Start Here chemistry video. The rest of the thing are the schedule, and I just published the schedule on the announcement. When you go to the announcement, you will see the plan for the semester by uni, lab activity, and those are the assessment that you are going to have. For instance, mainly the assessment will be discussion. I will post a topic on the discussion. You will reply, giving your idea, your opinion about the topic. But also we will have quizzes on different chapters, like in chapter 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So every week, as you can see, there will be an assessment during the 16 week. Not all of them will be a quiz, not all of them will be discussion. And we have also a midterm on the week number 9 and a final exam on the last week of class. So in general, you can find this one on the announcement, but I will copy again and paste on there Start Here schedule, because the schedule that I have here need to be a little bit updated. It doesn't show the assessment, but you can find that one on the announcement. That probably go through your email already. The other link that I will recommend you to check is Things to Do, because under Things to Do you will see what kind of assessment or activity you need to do, and that will be another way to navigate the platform. We have also the sign and math tutoring. You can check on this link and join in online, or also you can have physical contact with the other instructor helping you with the signs. Under BB Collaborate, this is the platform, the software that we will be using for having meeting online. You can click here and join the course room, and then you will have the opportunity to uh, see my presentation. Either I can use a slide presentation, or I just will use a whiteboard to answer a particular question. So that will be very useful link for having contact online with me, even though we can also do some of these uh, clarification or explanation in the classroom when we meet on Wednesday at Metro Campus. Below you have the chapters, chapter description, the topic that we are going to cover, and in every chapter at the very end you will have some resources like some video that will support the topic for the chapter, and I always write or introduce some other important information related to that, like if I found a picture or any information that can be helpful, I will copy under below the chapter. So check the chapters. Under PowerPoint, you have the 16 PowerPoint or a slide presentation. Each lecture is related to one chapter, and sometimes I use some of them to explain some of the topic, but I Some of the slides are big because they have like more than 50 slides. So I'm trying to customize when I do online presentation. I'm making a little bit shorter, but I want to share with you because some of you want to see a summary of a particular aspect that you want to study. And then we have the textbook. The textbook is this one. You click on the, let me go back again in case you miss it. Textbook and more. You click on the Pearson electronic text, and it will take some time because there will be a lot of files that they need to open. And when the textbook will be on my screen, I will show you how to use and navigate the textbook. Okay. So this is the first chapter, the chemical wall, and I'm going to click here, and that will be the uh, the introduction, like a cover. This is the cover for the textbook. By the way, you can get a copy on paper too. It doesn't have to be online. And I think you can borrow some from the library or you can buy through the Amazon. I saw that this they're selling this textbook. And then you go, for instance, to chapter number 1, the chemical wall. And I want to show you something interesting beside the chapter outline and all the reading for the chapter. What I want to show you is at the very end of the chapter, this there is a link that says self-assessment quiz. You click on that one and click on the link, and then you will have some questions that you can answer online, and they will give you a feedback. For instance, the first one they say where you can find chemical all around you and even inside of you, in a chemical stock room, in a hardware store. All the above will be the right answer because chemistry is everywhere. And the second one, which statement best define chemistry? The science that study air and water pollution is a partial definition because chemistry is more than that. And the correct one will be the science that study the connection between the property of matter and the particles that compose that matter. I will click on this one and I get the right answer. They give you feedback. And this one is about a law. According to the scientific method, what is a law? I'm going to fail this one. I'm going to click the wrong one and you see what happened. A model that gives insight into how nature is. I will say this is, and they gave me a feedback telling why this is not the right answer. And then you have more questions at the bottom, and you will have that practice for every single chapter. This is not going to be great. It's just for checking your comprehension about the chapter. So again, the textbook can be found here, and there are other links that you can explore yourself. And we are not going to work with all of them because transition metal is not part of the topic for this class. But if you want to expand your knowledge and information about chemistry, you can go. You are welcome to explore the rest of the link. I will leave them there in case you need to check other things. Lab activity lists all the lab that we are planning to do during the semester, and every time we will have a lab, I will post under assignment. So when you go to the things to do under assignment, you will see the lab activity here. It's empty now because I didn't assign anything, but you will see that under here, or you will also show here because some of the link that I'm not using right now is not posted. So that's all I have for you to explain how to navigate the BlackBoard. Hopefully, you will easily learn how to do that. But if you have any question, contact me. You have my email somewhere here where they say how to contact your instructor. You have the phone, you have the email, And I normally check my email very often, so you can email me and I will reply to you probably in less than 3 or 4 hours, max 4 hours, if I mean during the daytime, of course. And that will be the way I will prefer to interact with you when we are not face to face in the classroom. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. And see you soon at Metro Campus, room CO3, and we will have fun doing a lab and learning more about chemistry. Bye now.